Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. I want to take you through my trading for tonight, being the 26th of June 2009. Now, as you know, I've got two favourite trading time slots. The first one, 5 to 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on the S&P 500. I also trade the European market at this time, which is a whole new kettle of fish that we're going to get into very shortly. My other favourite time to trade the S&P is actually between 5 and 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to update you very shortly on some of the trading that's been up for grabs. S&P, what a phenomenal thing to trade. I think again, the key to trading is discipline. It's patience. It's also having a phenomenal trading plan, and it's also keeping your trading very simple. Now, what happened tonight? As I said, 26th of June, 5 to 7 Eastern Standard Time. We actually jumped into the session. We ended up in an uptrend almost instantly. That wasn't a great deal of fun because again we had to wait for the stair stepping to get broken. But what happened? The stair stepping was broken, setting us up here for a really nice big picture sell. Now we took the big picture sell down to around about 1.5 points worth of profit before it actually recoiled on us. Now I didn't mind the recoil, because we were heading back up to two very strong lines of resistance. As you can see, we actually got a second big picture sell that started to move us down to profit. You'll note I've got this price level here identified as a bit of an issue. We did need to break through it, and again we did break through it, which was fantastic. One of the things that I'm noting with trading, if you're conservative, take your money off the table, you know, at even half profits if the market's failing to go anywhere. Again though, as you get more competent at trading, you'll find that you're far better off, if you are in a sell signal, waiting until you get a buy signal to actually then get out of your sell and go back the other way. Now both of those big picture sells did pay. Again, we only took them first one to 1.75, second to 2.25 points, so a total of 4 points before we actually got reversed into a buy signal. Now we ended up bopping along in the buy signal for a while, in fact right through until the end of the session. You'll note I strongly advise, if we're going back towards the gap and the previous high both combined, have your profit target adjusted just before or half a point before the gap. As it turns out, the buy signal did run up. Took a little while to pay 1.5 because it bounced off it a number of times. Eventually paid it quite happily. In fact, ran on to over 2 points, but I only got 1.5. So all in all, 5.5 points at 5% per point. A reasonable return, just on 27.5%. All right, what I'm going to do is flick to my 233 chart to show you what was up for grabs this morning in the 5 to 6 a.m. time slot. Thank you for listening. If you want to give us a rating, I'd really appreciate that, because we're trying to get the word out there that this works, and it works really well. So please give us a YouTube rating, and I look really forward to updating you on this morning's trading on the next video. Have an awesome day, and bye for now.